Hello and welcome to Digital Priya Lectures. In our last video we have discussed about the kingdom Monera. In this particular video we will discuss about our next kingdom, which is kingdom Protista. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for the notification. Kingdom Protista is the group of organisms which are unicellular, eukaryotic and mostly aquatic. Okay, connecting link between kingdom Monera and other three kingdoms like fungi, plantae, animalia. It is the connecting link between the kingdom Monera, which is our first kingdom, and other three kingdoms. Okay, here mode of nutrition is mixotrophic. Okay, trophic means it can take its food from different ways. Okay, so general characteristics of kingdom Protista is they are microscopic organisms. They are very small, or we can say minute organisms. Some are parasitic on other organisms. They take their food as a parasite from other organisms. Okay, many occur in water bodies as planktons. Now what is planktons? Planktons are the small bodies which can swim with the water current. Okay, organisms surrounded by plasma membrane. They are surrounded by plasma membrane and can have an additional covering of pellicle, cuticle and cellulose or shell. But it doesn't mean they have cell walls. They can't have cell wall. Okay, cilia and flagella may be present with 9+2 arrangement of microtubule fibrils. Okay, they have 9+2 arrangement of microtubule fibrils. Okay, so here we have shown 9+2 arrangement of cilia, where they are fused pair of microtubules. Protein arms are arranged between these microtubules. Central unfused pair of microtubules. You can see here these microtubules are fused and these are not fused, and these are the arms from which central microtubule is attached with the periphery microtubules. Okay, so this is the 9+2 arrangement of microtubules. Now what is the mode of locomotion in the organisms of kingdom Protista? So they can use pseudopodia, which we can say false feet. Here we have shown the pseudopodias in amoeba. They are the false feet which is used in the locomotion. Flagellar, here we have shown the flagellar body from which they can breathe and move. Okay, ciliary body, from they are the minute hair-like structures on the body of organisms from which they can move. Wriggling means basically twist and turn fastly. Okay, this is the wriggling, and here we have shown the wriggling organisms from which they can move. Mucilage propulsion, here we have shown the mucilage propulsion from which it can move. So these are the 5 types of mode of locomotion. Now we will learn about the types of organisms in kingdom Protista. In kingdom Protista, 3 types are present: photosynthetic protists, decomposer protists, and third one is protozoans. Okay, so photosynthetic These are further three types: chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids. Okay, here we have shown the dinoflagellates. It is chrysophytes, or we can say diatoms, and this is euglenoids. Okay, next we will discuss about decomposer protists, in which slime mounds are placed. Okay, so what are slime mounds? Here we have shown the slime mounds. They are the microscopic body which comes in the decomposer protist, which take their food from the dead decaying bodies. Okay, now we have shown the protozoan protists. Here are the four types of protozoan protists, which are sporozoans, amoeboid, flagellated, ciliated. Okay, here we have shown the sporozoans, which produce spores, and they can cause human disease also. Okay, human disease also. Okay, next we have shown the amoeboid protozoans. They are the amoeba which have vacuoles for food. Okay, next we have flagellated protozoans. Here we have shown the flagellated protozoans from which it can move. Okay, here we have shown the ciliated body, which is ciliated protozoans. Okay, so they are the different types of protozoans. Next we learn about the chrysophytes. Chrysophytes are basically algae. Okay, here we have shown that algae-like bodies. Okay, now what are chrysophytes? Chrysophytes occur in both marine and freshwater habitats. They occur in both types of water, marine as well as fresh. Chrysophytes include diatoms, previously golden brown algae, and desmids. Okay, here chrysophytes include diatoms, which are previously known as golden brown algae and desmids. Okay, what is the difference between diatoms and golden brown algae? It is 2N and golden brown is N. So what is the difference between 2N and N? It can happen in any types of organisms, but it is rare in lower type of organisms. Okay, lower level organisms. So it is the difference. So it is the difference between diatoms and golden brown algae. Freely floating on or benthic. So they can be freely floating or benthic. What is the meaning of benthic? Benthic are those organisms which live on the surface of oceans or water bodies. Okay, gliding movement with the help of mucilage. They move with gliding movement. That is mucilage propulsion, locomotion occurring in chrysophytes. Okay, they are producer. They can do photosynthesis, so they are the producer of protist kingdom. Okay, here we have shown the diatoms. They are the ornamental organisms. Ornamental organisms, why they are known as ornamental organisms? Because they have different types of designs, jewelry designs on their body. They are very minute. If they are large in size, we can use them as jewelry. Okay, so What are diatoms? Diatoms cell wall consists of two overlapping halves like a soap case. Like a soap case, they have two halves, from which one overlap the another half. Okay. Here we have shown the diatom diagram. Upper part is called epitheca and lower is called hypotheca. So, cell wall made up of silica. Silica is deposited in the cell wall of diatoms. So, it is made up of silica. They don't decay easily. They can't decay easily. The organism can decompose, but the cell wall of these organisms can't decay easily. And reproduction can occur through asexual and sexual mode. Okay, they can do reproduction from both modes, asexual and sexual. Zygote forms a cell called oxopore. Okay, zygote forms a cell which is called oxopore. Here we have shown the diatom diagram, which is microscopic magnified. Okay, here we have shown the two halves of a diatom organisms. Here we have shown the epitheca and hypotheca. Okay, valve plane also. Next we have the next characteristics of diatoms. Okay, upper half is known as epitheca and lower half is known as hypotheca, which we have seen in last picture. They are of two types based on body symmetry: pinnate, bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical organisms are called pinnate, centric, radial symmetry. What do you mean by radial symmetry? Radial symmetry, if we divide an organism or differentiate it from the center in any direction, it will cut in equal half. Okay, it is the radial symmetry. Pigments present like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C and fucoxanthin. Okay, from these pigments their color divide. Okay, so thanks. In our next video we will discuss about the next kingdom. So for that, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Also press the like button for our motivation.